Good day and welcome to my channel. Today we will unboxing this Lotus saw blade and this Lotus circular saw blade. Yan. So it's time to unbox this. Okay, now it's time to unbox this circular saw. Like that. Oh, itong yung mga laman ng box. Ito po yung ang manual. May kasama siyang company cap. So para siyang warranty card, no? Ito may kasama siyang. This is a presence of saw grinder. Medyo napakabigat talaga ito. Ayan. So ito po yung tinatawag na saw grinder. Ayan. Itong saw grinder, ginagamit ito mag-cut ng plywood blade. Itong tinatawag na saw blade, TCT saw blade by Lotus. Ito pong lock niya. Okay, so ito po yung chainsaw tinatawag na circular saw. At dyan po ang nagtatapos sa aking vlog. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope may enjoy mo itong video na ito. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe on my YouTube channel, and follow me on Facebook at facebook.com/SearchLeonoraOfficial. So just search Leonora. See you and have a nice day. Goodbye.